Please hit the bell icon for more notification. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Hello students, now we will discuss some of the important terms of geography based on climate chapter. So to know the terms, we'll go ahead. We'll start with the lapse rate. The lapse rate is the rate at which temperature changes with height in the atmosphere. Lapse rate nomenclature is inversely related to the change itself. If the lapse rate is positive, the temperature decreases with the height. Conversely, if negative, the temperature increases with height. So in that lapse rate is, that means 1 degree decreases for every 166 meter rise in the height. This you have to remember when you're talking about the lapse rate. And here's the example you can give of the like Ooty and the Kochi. The temperature at Ooty is lower than that the Kochi, as former is located at the higher altitude. Next one, we'll move ahead and discuss about the climate. So climate is a long-term pattern of weather in a particular area. Weather can change from hour to hour, day to day, or even year to year. A region weather pattern is like for 30 years we consider it's a climate. So atmospheric condition which prevails over an area for longer period time, usually over a span of 30 years. Next, we'll just go ahead and discuss about the continental climate. Continental climate have significant annual variation in temperature, warm summers and cold winters. They tend to occur in middle latitudes, 40 to 55 degree north, within large land masses where prevailing winds blow overhead, bringing some precipitation, and temperature are not moderated by ocean. So generally it experience in the interior areas and all, landlocked areas you can say. Next one, we'll just go ahead with the equable climate. So equable climates are periods of roughly equal temperature throughout the world or in that area. A more detailed descriptions focuses on the equator to pole temperature differentiated, that is a EPTD, and seasonality in the high latitudes or regions that are above 60 degree north or below 60 degree south. So it is experiences in a very simple language. It is experienced near the coastal areas, okay, due to the influences of the sea with summers and the winters. So there is a temperature is neither too high nor neither too hot nor too cold. So it is a equable climate, or we can say that is a moderate also throughout the year. Next, we'll just go ahead and discuss about the relief rainfall. That means rain caused by the land varying in height. So relief rainfall is formed when the air cools as it rises over relief features in the landscape, such as the hills or mountains. As the air rises, it cools, condenses and forms rain. So due to the presence of the mountain, like somewhere like this kind of mountains are there, so moisture laden winds blowing from the sea strikes the mountain and cause the heavy rainfall. You can see in this picture which is showing in one particular areas. Here you can just see. So here is the moisture laden winds are there. Here is a more rainfall is there. How it is rises, so moisture gets decreases, and another side it drops, like less rainfall is there. So to understand this better, we'll just learn to more connected to this terms. So first is the windward side. That's when air runs into a mountain, the side of the mountain that hits the first. Look at this. Okay, called the windward side, and this is where air is focused to rise. And this is the side of the mountain that often sees the heaviest precipitation, this side. So this is a very easy thing how you can understand through this. As an example, you can take a western side of the Western Ghats, and Deccan plateaus which are in the eastern sides, there is a no or the scanty rainfall is there. Aravalli ranges, another example you can just use over there. Moving ahead with the leeward side. So leeward side is the left side of the windward side. You can see over here. And the leeward side of the boat is the side opposite the wind, and the direction to which the wind is going. The wind first hits the boat on the windward side. So the direction from which the wind is coming, crossing the boat at leeward side. So you can say the leeward side or the rain shadow area, both we can say that. So other side of the mountain receives the scanty or less rainfall. With the previous slide, I have given example of the Deccan Plateau to you, which you can just write in your exams as well. Next one is the local wind, that is a Lu. So Lu is a strong, gusty, hot and dry wind that blows during daytime over north and the northwestern India. These winds raises the temperature of the region, and exposure to these winds can even prove fatal. So it's a local wind, and generally in the northwestern part of India you can see this wind in the summer. Thank you.